want to speak English? Yes. What do you do? I go to school every week. I go to work every night. And I watch TV every Sunday. Well, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use present tense to make phrase to express yourself as a beginner. But before, I want to tell you welcome to my YouTube channel, English with JL. Because my dream is helping you to speak English better, faster, and easier. I oblige myself to bring you all the right strategies that you might need to speak English. This is all my dream. And before, I want to say hello to all my subscribers. I want to tell you, please keep subscribing, keep leaving a comment, keep telling me how do you feel. You are a beginner in English. You want to speak English, you just get started. But you don't know how to make a phrase. You don't know how to start expressing yourself in order to let people understand what you say or what you mean. In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly the right strategy, the right way you will need to make a phrase in English. To make a phrase by using present tense, I think present tense is really important. That is why that I bring you this video about it. So we use present tense to express ourselves in order to talk about something that we have a habit to do. And we use present tense in order to talk about an unchanging situation. Something that will never or something that will not change. We use present tense every day. We use it to express our daily activity. Our daily routine in English. But as a beginner in English, you should have known how to make a phrase with present tense. How to use present tense. And if you are able to use it, you will be able to use the other tenses with no problem. With no difficulty. But you need to create time in this video as I am explaining it to you, and then to really understand how and why you will need to use it to make phrase. We take the verb with its first form. For example, to go. Let's take to go as example. For making a phrase with to go in present tense, we take away the to from the verb, and after we will place the personal pronouns before the verbs. For example, let me say that I go. I go. You go. By respecting the rules according to the grammar rules in English for all the verbs, and this example will be the same for all the other verbs in English. I just take to away from the verb by adding the personal pronouns before the verb. And then now I conjugate the verb into present tense in English. Now we are going to make a phrase with this. I say I go to the market. I go to school. Let me say that. I go to school. I go to school. I go to school. I think it is really necessary. It is really important for you to know how to make a phrase with present tense in order to really understand the other verbs. The other tenses that you need to follow in order to receive all the types of videos that I'm going to teach you until the future tense, past tense, and all of the tenses that you will be able to understand them, because it is necessary to know how to use the tenses in English in order to make your phrase exactly, to know what to say, when to say it, and how to say it to somebody. Well, I think that after taking away the to from the verb, and now we put the personal pronouns, as I said before. Now we have the verb which is conjugated in present tense. I play soccer every day. I play soccer. I play soccer. I play soccer every weekend. I play soccer every weekend. And I think there are some, and I think there's one of And I think there was one thing which is really important into present tense, which are the time marker. So when we use the time marker, so it explains or it shows exactly which tense that we express ourselves. For example, let me say that every day, or every week, or every month, maybe, and so on. But now we have, I play soccer every weekend. I watch TV every night. I watch TV every night. You see? And then now, this is now the positive way in order to express ourselves. I watch TV every night. So I hope these lessons help you to understand exactly how to use the present tense in order to make a phrase, in order to let you make a phrase or make a sentence in English with no problem. And then I hope this video saves you in order to understand how to use the present tense. And then keep subscribing and keep leaving a comment in order to find the other videos that will come for future tense and for all the other tenses. They will help you to understand how to make a phrase and how to use the tenses to make phrase with no problem. I love you so much and keep subscribing. Thanks for watching.